Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question. Are you using ChatGPT to its full potential? I thought I was. I've been using it since it first hit the scene, mostly for the basics, writing blog posts, video scripts, emails. You know the drill. But honestly, I was just scratching the surface. It wasn't until recently that I had a breakthrough. I discovered a way to use ChatGPT, not just as a content machine, but as a high-level business consultant, a consultant that could pinpoint the hidden flaws in my business, find gaps in my sales process that were literally costing me money, and map out campaigns to actually boost my revenue. The best part, this isn't some secret, expensive tool. It's the same ChatGPT we all have access to, free or paid. I developed a simple, four-step framework that completely changed how I interact with AI. I call it the DICE method, and today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it to get hyper-specific, actionable, and truly accurate responses for any part of your business. So if you're ready to stop getting generic advice from AI and start getting real solutions, you're going to want to stick around. Now, let's be real. How many of you have done this? You go to ChatGPT and type something like, "I'm having trouble with my sales pipeline. What can I do to fix it?" I know I did. And what do you get back? A list of common problems, like weak lead generation or unqualified leads, followed by 3 or 4 generic steps to fix them. It's helpful, sort of. But the AI is just guessing. Since I didn't know the exact root cause of my problem, ChatGPT couldn't give me a solution for my specific issue. It's like going to the doctor and just saying, "I don't feel good." You're not going to get a very precise diagnosis. This is why I created the DICE method. I needed to give my prompts a clear structure that the AI could easily follow, forcing it to stop guessing and start analyzing. Think of it as the difference between telling the ER my stomach hurts and saying, "I ate raw chicken at a restaurant 2 hours ago, and now my stomach hurts." One gets you a vague response. The other gets you immediate, targeted action. So, let's roll the dice and break down what it all means. DICE is an acronym that stands for Data, Identify, Clarify, and Execute. It's a structured prompt format that you'll paste directly into the chat box. It looks like this. You'll type #data hash, then on a new line, #identify hash, then #clarify hash, and finally, #execute hash. Now, those little hashtag symbols are super important. Don't skip them. I use them intentionally because they create visual and structural boundaries that ChatGPT recognizes. By bracketing each section with hashtags, you're teaching the AI where one instruction ends and the next one begins. This is key to getting a structured, intelligent response instead of a jumbled mess. All right, let's get into the first step. D4 #data hash. This is where you give ChatGPT the full story. You need to provide all the background and context about your situation. Forget vague statements. We're talking real numbers, current challenges, what you've tried in the past that didn't work, and specific details about your business. Basically, you want to front-load every relevant detail you can think of. The more specific and thorough you are here, the better the AI's analysis will be. For example, instead of "my sales are low," try something like this under the #data hash heading. "I run a B2B software company selling workflow automation. We generate about 200 leads a month, but our conversion rate from demo to close is only 8%. Next up is I for #identify hash. Once you've laid out all the data, you need to tell ChatGPT what role to play. This is a game changer. If you don't assign a role, the AI defaults to being a generalist, which gives you guessed it, general advice. But by telling it to act as a specialist, you tap into its ability to analyze your problem from a specific, expert perspective. You're telling it which hat to wear. So, under your #identify hash heading, you'll write something like, "Act as a veteran SaaS sales consultant who specializes in pipeline optimization and closing high-ticket enterprise B2B deals." Or you could tell it to be a leadership coach, a direct response copywriter, or an HR consultant. By defining its identity, You're focusing its vast knowledge base on your precise needs. This simple step elevates the quality of the response tenfold. Now we get to the third letter, C for hashtag, clarify hash. This step is what separates the DICE method from pretty much every other prompting technique out there. In this section, you instruct ChatGPT to ask *Q* questions before it even thinks about giving you a solution. This forces the AI to pause, dig deeper into your situation, and understand your goals, constraints, and preferences. It stops the AI from making assumptions. Here's the crucial part. You must tell it to ask the questions one at a time. This allows for a dynamic conversation. Instead of just giving you a static list of 5 questions, it can ask a question, and your answer will inform its next question, creating a much more intelligent and contextual dialogue. So, your #clarify hash prompt would look like this. Ask me 5 clarifying questions to gain deeper context on my current pipeline. But ask them one at a time. Your goal is to determine any gaps or holes I may have missed. This turns a monologue into a dialogue. And that's where the magic really happens. And finally, we've arrived at E for hashtag execute hash. This is the finish line. After you've provided the data, assigned a role, and answered its clarifying questions, this is where you tell the AI exactly how you want the final output delivered. Don't leave the format to chance. Be specific. You can ask for a 30-day action plan, a table comparing different strategies, a script for your sales team, or even specify the tone and reading level. For our example, the hashtag execute hash prompt could be, after I've answered all your questions, provide a step-by-step sales pipeline improvement plan with a detailed 30-day timeline. The plan should be written at a 6th grade reading level so it can be easily understood and implemented by my entire sales team. The goal here is to eliminate all guesswork for the AI. You're defining the what and the how of the final deliverable. So, let's put it all together. You have your data providing context, identify setting the expertise, clarify ensuring deep understanding, and execute defining the final output. The DICE method isn't about letting AI think for you. It's about using your own strategic thinking and problem-solving skills to guide the AI toward a truly customized and powerful solution. Since I started implementing this, I've been able to move faster, make smarter decisions, and uncover opportunities I never would have seen with my old 2-sentence prompts. It's been a total transformation in how I run my business. I genuinely hope this framework helps you as much as it has helped me. It takes a few extra minutes to set up your prompt, but the quality of the output is night and day. Give it a try on a problem you're facing in your business right now, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to leverage technology to grow your business. I'll see you in the next video.